Yeah, right on now, yeah. Alright, Rain Man.
Yes, Johnny. Yeah, them look good. Yes, Johnny. Yeah, them look good. Yeah, look good in a workshop, Billy.
Same here, sorry.
Yeah, man. Original Johnny.
Yeah.
See, that's
Original.
in the final touch up. What you mean?
it.
Final touch up, Johnny.
Nice. Decent.
Real. Like that. Yeah, so this is a garbage bin me I cut up for. Yeah. One of them garbage bins, so in process on a seat, you know. Yes, Johnny, so we are the final touch, eh?
Yeah.
Final touch, Johnny.
Nice and decent.
Yeah, man.
How it is?
For real.
Original.
Yes, Johnny.
Yeah.
See it there.
Yeah, pretty and look good.
Yeah, man.
Decent.
Yeah, look good and I know workshop bill.
Yeah, be like road.
Look on the round, look on the top. Yeah, man.
Yeah, right away.
See it there.
I mean, serious so.
Yeah. See it there. It's my locking system there.
Oh, you're coming out.
Yeah, so we have a drop latch for put here, so go down the ground for roll it, and then this lock into this. You know, put on the del bolt lock on thing. In there. Nice sunset in the evening. Yes, Johnny.
See, right away.
Yes, Johnny. Where you look?
See, look good man. Up.
Where you say up?
Yeah man, up.
Alright, so.
Pretty good, right away.
So we have a spike left to go up on the top of the gate. See it there? Have a spike and a drop latch. Spike down up on the gate, and now Tell me how them look.
Alright. Yes, Wayne Marshall. You're there on the line have to go in it. On the gate. Gate up, man. Good gain, yeah, with the spike and everything around them and everything. Yeah. And the diamond shape.
Sure.
Everything upon it. Yes, with Marshall, yeah, boss. Yeah. Yeah, man, the beat is good. I press it back, I'm pressing back again up there. Huh? Yeah, man. Pressing back when I start again.
The flat end and always I run from.
I'm going to pass it to. Huh? Hold on. Alright, I'm going to make you go back again. Go on now, man, set me. Start it out with Marshall. Yeah, right on now, yeah. Alright, with Marshall, you to go now. Andy go. You do a good job. Yeah. Be the journey good, everything in order. The gate is really looking good. Yeah. The spike are there. Straight like an arrow. Everything in one uniform. Everything in one uniform. To go. Yeah. The helmet are fit, you go the right size have overhead. Sun glaze. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. Everything is one. Everything in a one. Wayne Marshall. Yes, Wayne Marshall. Up and running. Straight like an arrow. Good to go. Chipping the flux, everything in a one, everything clean, everything off it up. Smooth. Smooth like a candy. Yeah. Wow. This is good. Everything is good. Sorry. Yeah, man. Wayne Marshall ever clean. Straight like an arrow, everything off the uniform. Clean. Yeah. No look of flux, no look of thing. Everything does clean. Yeah. You're ready for the factory anytime.
Yes, I'm ready for your factory.
Anytime.
Remember that.
Anytime with Marshall.
Say get up and ready and running.
Up and ready. Yeah, up and ready. Yeah. Up and running. With Marshall. Yeah. Yeah. Yes, real Marshall. Come on. Yes. Huh?
That also one in the video.
Yeah, man, can clean it up. I well and clean him said time. Having pan mix. I'm making clean. Can you have to clean you know? Smooth.
Flux, you know?
Yeah man, for the flux. So you will just clean it off. So no care nothing.
Yeah.
You understand? Care nothing in there, yes. Wade Marshall. No partial. Yeah man. And you man go up on the leather now. Just in one step and hold on. Well protective. Yeah. Now if it slide clean off everything. When in cloth are clean off, that means it have to smooth. No dirty work around here. Everything have in order. Yeah. No dirty work.
The people don't say that's what they get quality.
Yeah, them get quality. So the
No
big
short and work.
no short and work. The big man come and see it in just crazy and him wife over it.
For it.
Glad for it. Want all more, say one more, sing one more at the next house. Instant.
Instantly.
Yeah, after this finish, the other one on the run again for you. Can't wait to get the other one. Understand? We just want to finish this and move on to the next one. Just a wait for it. So you need it like right now, this one don't finish it, but the next one, oh come on. Like now. Like a whistle. Yeah, not in a sticker you can't find on it. After clean. Just take time drive come just in and out. That is this.
So put on the lock, you know.
You put on the lock you know. And the lock go on.
Nothing like this.
You know, so we just that has a ground one. Just lock it like that. See that look clean and anything else. So that's it. See you kids them say.
See how much.
Yeah. And our Rain Marshall go and build it. And Johnny.
Sure.
Same way like that. You understand? Yeah.
Press the stop the car.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah man, go and tighten up a lock now, Rain Marshall. That is the lock. Put in the lock and tighten up now. Rain Marshall and they go. Yeah, firm like a rock. Just a tighten the lock and catch in the lock. Yeah.
Sure, I know. I'm test it with the key.
You test it with the key now and see. Yeah. I'm gonna test it now and see. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, out again. Yeah. Him a go there, him a got it. Out there, yeah. Right way like that, yeah. Same way like that. Yeah. Same way. Yes, Rain Marshall, I got it there.
Stop.
Right.
Yes, so. I'll show you my lock when I just put on. See my lock there. Sun shine, sun and I see it so good. Alright, see it from the side there. See him? Yes, so when it lock at least you can't see it because the thing block it off, this block it off. Understand? But from inside now you can see it. Yeah, so take out the key. Yes, so I have a problem to deal with my lock. Just like that. Finishing on my gate. Yes, so it's finishing look, you know.